Alright, good morning everyone, RFID on board. And you know what, friends, I have something to tell you. And I just would like to share these 3 tips that we must always remember. The first one is we should pray first before anything. Bago tayo kumilos, gumawa ng mga bagay na gagawin po natin, kailangan natin ipagpasalamat yung opportunity at yung ibinigay sa atin ng pagkakataon ni Lord. We have to be thankful because we have the opportunity to experience and witness the beauty of the rising sun. Alright, kailangan maging thankful po tayo. Ito yung palagi kong sinasabi. Most of the time, naririnig nyo po sa akin ito na yung pagtulog natin sa gabi is it is always our decisions. It's not the decisions of those people around us. And when we wake up every single morning, guys, this is God's decisions, and kailangan natin ipagpasalamat because hindi lahat ng tao ay nagkakaroon ng experience o na-experience pa yung gumising sa umaga. Am I right? And right after that, right after mo mag-pray, ano yung susunod natin? Sabi ko nga kanina 3 things. The second one is if you are an action man, okay, if you are achiever or goal setter, if you want to achieve something, we must always review our daily routine, our daily or priority list. Kasi bakit? Diyan nakalagay kung ano yung mangyayari sa buong maghapon. Okay, the moment you wake up or we wake up, nakalagay na po dyan. Nasaan ka ng ganitong oras, anong oras ka maliligo, anong oras ka kakain, ano yung oras yung meeting mo, ano yung mga priority mo. Okay, good thing about, nare-redirect ka sa tamang direction. Ibig sabihin, wala kang nasasayang na oras at panahon. Ibig sabihin, lahat ay nagiging importante at mahalaga at nalalaman mo kung ano yung mga dapat na i-priority. Kaya dapat, every morning, i-review natin yung priority list natin, okay, o yung bucket list natin. Tingnan natin mabuti ano yung mga adjustment natin gagawin para walang masayang na oras at panahon. Alright? Alright. Number 3 is kailangan natin mag-take ng necessary actions. Okay? A plan without action is consider as nothing. Wala lang. Kasi bakit? Kasi hindi ka nag-take ng action eh. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, a plan without action is just only a plan. Okay? Because we did not achieve or receive or we did not accomplish something. But good thing about, pagka tayo po ay a man of action, definitely hindi ka papayag na sa buong maghapon hindi magiging effective at productive yung buong maghapon mo. Meaning, paragi ka may goal. Diba? You want to accomplish something and magsiset ka ng target na dapat ganitong oras, dapat ganitong oras tapos na ako. That's the reason why kailangan natin mag-take ng actions. Okay? So, good thing about, dyan mo nag-gauge din ano yung mga kulang pa at kung ano pa yung mga kailangan mo idagdag doon sa everyday na ginagawa mo. Hindi lang puro plano ng plano. Alam nyo, maraming plano ng plano hanggang plano lang. And yet nakakalimutan nilang i-execute kung ano yung pinaplano nila. At the end of the day, ang bottom line po nito ay yung resulta. A plan without actions, definitely wala pong result yan. Kaya a plan coupled with actions, definitely magdadala yan, magpuprovide yan at magpuproduce yan ng magandang resulta. Alright? So, yun lamang po for this morning. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. God bless everyone. I love you all.